Hello everyone, this is Rishida. Welcome to my channel. My today's video is going to be a continuation of my series of feature selection for machine learning model. The name of the today's method is feature importance. And the great thing is it is available in the model in scikit-learn library itself. And let's get into the details. In today's tutorial, I'm going to use this housing1.csv dataset again. And first import pandas as PD and numpy as NP, then df pd.readcsv housing1.csv. You will find the link to the dataset in the description box below, and this is our dataset. Okay, you see we have price, area, bedrooms, bathrooms, all these other features, and df.columns, it shows you the name of the columns. We need to define the target variable and the training features first. Let's assume that you want to predict price based on all the other features. And before that, we need to know which features are the best, right? So first, I define y, the training variable, as df.price, and all the other variables need to be as the training features. So df.drop columns equals to unnamed 0, so I want to exclude this one because this is not a significant column. And the price is our target variable, so it cannot be in the features. So I will just exclude these two columns, and the rest of the columns or rest of the features are going to be our training features. So this is what our x and y. As I mentioned in the beginning, the feature importance method is available in the tree-based models. So you can use any of the tree-based machine learning model from scikit-learn library to get the feature importance. So here I am using today extra trees regressor. In my machine learning series, I never worked on extra trees regressor. The only tree-based model I worked on was decision tree and random forest. So if you didn't know about extra trees models, now you know another tree-based model. So first you import the extra trees regressor, and then here extra trees regressor you just call and put it in the variable etc. Now I need to fit x and y into the etc. So the feeding of the data is done here. Once you feed the data, you can get the feature importance. Look, etc.feature importance, simply just call this method and it gives you the scores for each variable. Each variable you have in this x, you get a score for each of the variable here. I wanted to get the top 8 variables based on the scores. So what I did, I wanted to present it as series, so pd.series. So now I use this etc.featureImportance, etc.featureImportance, and the name of the variables here, index equals to x.columns. And as I wanted to get the top 8 features, so simply n-largest dot 8. So based on this course, it's going to take the top 8 or best 8 features. So here I get all 8 features that has the best scores, top 8 scores. Okay. So you see area, bathrooms, air conditioning, parking, furnishing status, brief area, stories, bedrooms. These are our 8 features. Now I wanted to try another machine learning model as well. So this time I'm using decision tree regressor. So from sklearn.tree import decision tree regressor. And after that, I use exact same process. So first you call decision tree regressor and save it in the variable. This time I'm calling it DTC. So DTC.fit x, y. And again pd.series, then dtc.featureImportances to get the scores, and the index x.columns to get the name of the columns, and then n-largest 8 to get the top 8 features based on the scores. Now let's check if these variables, these 8 and these 8 are the same. Most of them are actually same, except for this one. You don't find this brief area here, right? And again, here you have basement and you don't have the basement here. So just one different. The other seven are the same. Now, how to decide if you still want to use 8 features, then which one to take, tree area or basement? Okay, there are a few things you can do. First of all, we have more tree-based models. So here I use decision tree, try random forest or XGBoost, and then see which 8 they give you. Also, you have set of 8 features in our last 2 videos. Feel free to check those and then make a decision. That's all. Stay tuned for the next one. If you think this video was useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.